Welcome to our quick dive into the world of additive manufacturing materials. Please take the time to subscribe, like, and share. Materials that can be used in additive manufacturing. So many it can appear almost limitless. Generally be broken into four major categories: polymers, ceramics, metals, and composites when talking about additive manufacturing. In addition, polymers can be considered as thermoset or thermoplastic. The main difference is that thermoplastics can be melted repeatedly with minimal damage, while thermosets cannot and generally require a hardener or mechanism to cause cross-linking. Generally fall into one of three forms: filament, like what is used in FDM printers you might find on Amazon, resins that are light cured, or powders. Composite materials can be any of these forms, but most commonly look like filaments. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. See you in the next video.